Stalker Patty?
Yes.
That's her.
Does she still work there?
No, she's gone. Hey.
Bob Trader. How are you?
Man of the hour. Yeah.
Right on. Cool glove, man.
Because it's large.
That's awesome. What do you got there? Brand new balls?
Brand new balls.
That is awesome.
Top flight, man.
Excellent.
Because they don't go in the woods, according to my son.
Oh, they don't?
No, he says that these work the best. So for Christmas, this is what I got, and he even did a little sticky note that says top flight rules. So we're going to see how I play today.
Excellent.
Thank you.
You're free of the woods anyway.
Yes.
Hey, fellers, where are we?
Check it out. MC Lady Golf Balls.
Don't move it. I'll get up close. It says MC Lady.
It's so bizarre.
I never heard of ladies golf balls.
That's right.
Hey, Mitchell.
They're getting lost
I got a puddle
first.
on my cot.
We're at the Shattuck, fellas.
At the Shattuck.
Never played here before. Oh, you got a glove? You bought one last year?
No, this is when we cleaned out.
Oh, that's right.
Patty's, whoever she guarded.
Awesome, because it took me 2 years to figure out I need one on my left hand, because with my grip I tear the hell out of my hand, you know. All right, guys, let's do it. We'll see you guys out there.